Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Xero with Zoho CRM. So all you have to do is head over to zapier.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the dashboard, just click on Create, then click on Zaps. You will then be redirected to their editor page, and we're going to start by clicking on Trigger 1. We're just going to search for Xero, then click on Xero. So in the right section of your screen, you're just going to customize the event, starting with the trigger event. Just choose what the trigger will be, say for example, new bank transaction, and all you have to do is sign in with your Xero account. A window will then pop up and you will be asked to log into your account, then grant access permissions by allowing access. And from here, we can proceed. Just click on continue, select organization. So we're just going to select our company, then continue. So you can test trigger here. Then the next thing you're going to need to do is click on to, then search for Zoho CRM. Just click on Zoho CRM. Same thing with Xero, add in action event. We're just going to choose this, for example. And you're also going to need to sign into your Zoho CRM account. Also grant access permissions to log in. Then just click on link. You will be prompted to accept terms and conditions. Just click on accept button and entry ID, and also add in an attachment file. You have an option now here to test step or skip test. Then once everything is good, you can proceed by clicking on publish. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!